Hi guys, this video is for Toyota Nation audience. I had the same problems with like squeaking and screeching noises coming from almost like a center of this area inside the car, the center console. Couldn't figure out if it was a speaker inside, the center speaker, or other parts. But this is what worked for me. I read somewhere in the comments that some things outside can actually cause it. So first thing that came to my mind is cowl, like this plastic thing that is in between the glass, the rubber gasket between the glass and the cowl, the plastic cowl. So when I started moving it like this, as much as I could, kind of like back and forth, I literally recreated the noise that I was having. So what I did, it was a very simple and easy solution. I just got a silicone based lubricant. It actually has, as you can see, like this little pipe in here. So you just insert it, and I just applied it along this rubber gasket. So the idea is that the lubricant should go under this rubber gasket in here. It's very easy to do it with the pipe. I got it everywhere, like everywhere. Just I didn't want to miss this problem and have it again, and it fixed it. It like fixed it immediately. I'm so happy. Hopefully it works out for you as well. Please share your comments and let me know if it worked for you as well.